Just a real quick look at the RTI document. On the very front home page, I have a list of all the students and their teacher for homeroom or advisory. I use that option where you right click a cell and pick data validation from my drop down menus, and I have it referencing a range from a page I called staging, column A, and that's just a page I made called staging, and column A is the teacher's names. Then I built one page, made it how I want it, got my columns set, my dividers set, my colors set, some of the keywords set, and I'm duplicating it over and over and over. But before I duplicate it, I get my formula set. Up here for the staff name, I didn't type it in at all. So box A1 is a formula. It's just equaling a specific cell. So it's equaling, I went up here, I'll do it again for you. So formula is gone. Everything's blank, page goes crazy. If I go up here to box A1, type in equals, and I just search the staging. In this case it was A22 for Downing, equals staging A22. Sometimes it does that. I hit return, there's Downing, done. His name's flew too. How that works is in box A2, it's another formula. It's equals filter in a parenthesis. This first chunk is things you want to be brought in. And the comma, here's your condition to approve it or not, or accept it or not, or make it happen or not. So I want to have the list of students brought in. Here they are. So it's equals filters, parenthesis. This is what you want. So I want, from my students page, I want to bring in these names. I want these names brought in for free. So back to Downing again. There we are. The comma means the condition comes next. It's saying that if this column, in this case it's the students page, column A. So it's saying if the students page, column A, right here, which is the teacher's names. So if these names equal whichever in box A1. So every student that has the word Downing next to their name is brought in for free. The fun part is if the rosters change, it's just a one-stop change. Go up here again. I can add a kid's names in, resort it, add the advisor teacher names in, and my list update automatically. That's pretty cool. These you can delete it later on if you want. It's just saying that there's an error in the page. I'll show you why it does that. No worries. Done. Now I want to have, well, where are my students going for RTI? So box B2 is another formula. Oops, sorry. Get out of there. Box B2 is another formula. Here it is. It's equals filter again. It's because I want to have the teacher's name that picks my students. So I'm saying equals filter, parenthesis. So I'm going to return the teacher's name. In this case, it's in column C, so we bring these names in. If the condition is true, in this case, so bring the teacher's names. If the student name in the list equals the name. So here I had to go equals a certain cell, equals A2. It's going to search the whole list of documents. When it finds Brittany Anderson, it'll return whichever in her box. In this case, no one picked her yet. It's empty. Here I can pick the whole range equals A1 because it's the one cell and it referenced it. It's perfect. But here I can't. I want to have a specific. I want to have Brittany, bring Brittany. Tyler's, bring Tyler's. So it's the same thing, equals filter, parenthesis. This is what you want, comma. This is what going to make it happen. Now equals A2. So in this case, A2 is Brittany. I had to make this formula, I copied it and I pasted it down here. So I got A3, copy, paste, 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 paste. I made 25 of these things here. Not knowing how big each individual class is going to be. So these ones here are referencing, saying there's an error somewhere. So these I'll leave them on for now. Then this is going to be my roster for my RTI, so I know who I'm going to have. Same formula, equals filter. In this case, I want to return every kid that I pick. So search that B column of kids, comma, if the teacher's column equals my name. So it's equaling A1. Now here's the fun part. This page says I want it, formula set. If I go here to the arrow, I go to duplicate. Now I have 2 pages of downing, but I want to go to the next column down. So A22, nope, A23, return, teacher flows in, roster flows in, page is set, page is done, except for changing the name. It's not copy of Downing, it's going to be called Ellingson. Done. I can go arrow, duplicate, not 23 again, I have that one done, it's 24, return, teacher's name, done. Why is nothing here? I'm guessing this teacher is like an assistant or a specialist that has no advisory. Oh well. Right click, rename, Erickson. I'll go to do one more, then I'll stop. Duplicate. There it is, not 24, but 25. Name, rosters, done. Change the name. And I suppose once we're all said and done, these we can delete out, but they're not going to hurt anything. So if her roster grows, they're already set. If I delete them, they won't be here. These won't fill in. So I leave them. That's just what I do. Rename it. Fergus. That one's done. That's how difficult it is.